Hi, it's Accutek Car Audio and Visual in Winchester, Hampshire. It's a video of a Toyota Auris having a KENWOOD DMX9720XDS installed. I'm getting to close the door. As you can see, it's all nicely fitted in there. It's a 10.1 inch screen. This particular model's got the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, digital radio. It's got HDMI in, etc. This also works off of the original steering wheel control buttons, and also this car originally has a genuine reverse camera, so we've integrated that. So I'll put it in reverse, so you get the rear camera come up on the original KENWOOD screen. If you'd like to have this done in your Auris, Toyota Auris, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.